Well, g'day gang. Busted turbo time again, eh? You can see that flapping around in there. This is off a Mazda CX7. And although it looks like a simple job, I'll show you what needs to happen. Yeah, engine has to come out. Bunch of bits on the floor now. What happens is, through lack of servicing, these banjo bolts get blocked up. This is the one from the block side. Lack of service. And this pipe also gets restricted. So I've cleaned out the pipe. You can buy a turbo with a new pipe. It wasn't available for us today, so we've just gone ahead and we're just going to clean this up and put our new turbocharger on it. Yeah, so that's what's involved in one of them. So if you've got a CX7 and you see you're hearing weird noises, or you're losing boost, or it's been determined that the turbocharger is no good, this is why it costs a lot of money. You know? She's all empty now under here. Yeah. And that's why it's impossible to do this job without pulling the engine out, because this is that's the back of the engine. You gotta remember the firewall comes down here. You just cannot, access is zero. So, and believe me, one of the guys has tried to do it in the car and it's just impossible. So there you go. That's what's involved in doing that. Now I just got to put it back in the hole. Have a goodie. I'll check you later. And so it's back in the hole, and you can see where it is. You just can't get that. There's not a chance on the planet you're going to get that out of there whilst it's in the car. Yeah.